Welcome on board. Our first priority every day is safety. So before we open, Jamie will be giving a brief safety demonstration.
The safety of you and our customers is of utmost importance to Nordstrom. With that in mind, we ask that you give your full attention as we discuss the safety features of this building.
Your store or building manager is the leader of the emergency response team and is responsible for ensuring all employees know what to do during an emergency. Before we open, we ask that all carry-on items are securely stored in a locker or employee service area. All hard aisles, walkways, staircases, electrical panels, and emergency exits are to be kept clear of merchandise and obstructions at all times. Our buildings are equipped with multiple emergency exit doors, clearly marked with lighted signs. Only takes a few moments to know where your nearest emergency exit is. Please locate the nearest emergency exit now. Remember, the closest exit may be behind you. In the event of a fire, an alarm or emergency announcement will activate from above. This will be triggered by the activation of a manual pull station, smoke detector, or sprinkler head. Direct all employees and customers to the nearest exit. Take care of yourself first, but if it is safe to do so, check fitting rooms, restrooms, and stockrooms for those that may need assistance. Before exiting doors, use the back of your hand to fill the upper, lower, and middle parts of the door. If the door is hot, use another emergency exit. Do not use elevators. If a small contained fire is discovered, fire extinguishers are located in stockrooms, offices, and pillars clearly marked in red. Remember the word pass. Pull the pin, aim the base of the fire, squeeze the handle, sweep across the flames. Outside the building, report to your designated meeting place to be accounted for. It is unlikely, however, a code-red evacuation may be necessary. If there's an extreme violent situation inside the store, you may have to decide whether it is best to run, hide, or fight. It is usually best to distance yourself from trouble, so get out and head to safety. In these types of situations, there's no need to meet at your store's meeting place, as it may not be safe to do so. In a real extreme violent situation, police will expect you to exit the building with your hands out. Their job is to identify and take out the threat, not tend to victims. If there's trouble outside the building, you will need to shelter in place until it is safe to leave. Take the time now to identify where the safe places are to hide. This may include a locked stockroom, office, or single-family restroom. It may be necessary to shelter in place and not exit the building during severe weather like tornadoes. Direct all employees and customers to an interior room or hallway. Stay away from windows, doors, and outside walls to prevent injury. Follow the directions given by your emergency response team. In the event of a power outage and visibility is reduced, emergency lighting will illuminate. Stay calm and locate the nearest flashlight. Continue taking care of customers and listen for directions from your emergency response team or manager in charge. In the unlikely event of an earthquake, the building will start to shake. Drop down, take cover, and hold on. Direct others who may not know what to do. Write out the shaking and then listen for directions from your emergency response team. There may be aftershocks, so drop, cover, and hold again. If there's a lost child reported, a code Atom alert announcement will sound, indicating a description of the child. If you are close to an exit door, stand by the door and watch for a child matching that description. If you spot a child matching that description, notify the MIC or LP immediately. An all-clear announcement will be made when the child is successfully located. In preparation for opening, please ensure all your personal belongings are securely stowed and you are prepared to handle an emergency. Nordstrom regulations require all employees to comply with all safety information, no smoking signs, and posted placards, in addition to emergency responders' instructions. Employees can dial 911 from any store phone in an emergency situation. Should you need to reach the operator immediately to report a code red or code Atom, dial 777. This will make you the first call answered. Should it become necessary, employees can make an emergency page using any touch-tone phone by dialing your store's page code. Review your location's paging code and common emergency announcements with your manager following this safety presentation. A complete list of safety features and emergency plans can be located on the emergency app on all store devices. Please contact your emergency response team if you have any questions. Thank you for your full attention and we'll be open shortly.